guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shatrivedi and I hope you're doing all well. So let's start with today's video. So today's video will be a very revolutionary video for all the people who are looking for some solution to treat their dark spot, unevenness, dry skin, flaky skin, or general a lot of skin problems. And this all will be possible by a very revolutionary ingredient or like a range you can say, and that is glycolic. So today I'm going to be talking about glycolic acid, and it is an AHA molecule which will be solution of a lot of skin problems. Product range I'm talking about is this glycolic acid range by L'Oreal Paris. These are the products which I will be reviewing and talking about. First, talk about the glycolic acid. What is glycolic acid? Glycolic acid is the lightest and smallest molecule in the family of AHA, basically Alpha Hydroxy Acid. So it is very lightweight, so it penetrates deeper and faster in your skin. That leads to removal of melanin, epidermis of your skin. Basically, it exfoliates your skin on a very cellular, a very deep level. It stimulates cell growth activity and it removes the dead skin on your skin. This reduces the appearance of dark spot and thus gives you a very brighter skin. This ingredient is suggested by dermatologists along the globe for acne scars treatment and dull skin problems. So after knowing so many benefits about glycolic acid, I was so intrigued to try products with glycolic acid, but I never got a whole range of glycolic acid products which I really wanted to use, and thus I came around this range. And we can talk about how you can go with this glycolic bright range of L'Oreal Paris so that you can achieve that vibrant looking skin. This range contains glycolic bright glow daily glowing cleanser, glycolic bright 1% glycolic acid serum, glycolic glowing day cream that contains SPF 17, glycolic night cream. The whole range of the product that contains glycolic acid as their main ingredient. This range promises to visibly reduce the 5 years of dark spot you have in just 2 weeks. How amazing, isn't it? If you're thinking it's not possible, let me tell you, this claim has been validated by L'Oreal Paris International Council of Dermatologists. So yeah, it works. Now let's talk about how to use this range, and then I'll talk about what difference it did to my skin. Start up with face wash. Now packaging of this whole range is very aesthetic. This looks so clean and so classy with this two-tone effect. It's amazing. Now this is a foaming face wash which lathers like amazing. Like it lathers pretty well, and it cleans your skin to the core. It deep cleans your skin just like you have applied a mask, and it is so clean, smooth, ready for the next product. Next is this 1% glycolic acid serum in this cute tiny bottle. Now this serum is very lightweight, it's non-sticky, and it absorbs into your skin very quickly. It helps you getting a very clear complexion. It also helps reduction of dark spots and unevenness. I would say it's also very hydrating on your skin. You can see my skin is literally glowing. It really helps in getting an exfoliation which makes your skin look much brighter in the longer run. Next is this day cream which has SPF 17, which is perfect because you need to apply SPF if you're applying glycolic acid in the morning. And this cream is very hydrating, very moisturizing. It also gives our skin a very beautiful sheen or glow to your face, which looks really pretty to me. Then we have a night cream for the PM routine. Now this night cream is more like a gel. It has gel-like texture to it. It is very lightweight and it absorbs really quickly, and it is very hydrating on the skin. And in combination with the 1% glycolic acid, I would say this gives the most beautiful, soft, supple, glowing skin. How hydrating and glowing my skin looks right now, right? And here you can see my skin after 2 weeks of using this range continuously. Spots are very less, skin is glowing, and it looks very hydrating and healthy at the same time. That's how you use this range, and I must tell you, this range has done wonders for my skin. It has glycolic acid, so it do the exfoliation for me without me going for other exfoliating agents, and thus always give me very vibrant, soft, plumpy looking skin. That's why I will highly suggest you try out this range. If you have problems like dull skin, unevenness, dark spot, anything like that, I will highly recommend you to try out this range. So you get this 1% glycolic acid serum for just rupees 399. This is 50 ml. You can get this like 30 ml pack for 749. So it's actually very affordable. All the links are mentioned in the description box. I will highly suggest you check out this link. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.